Hello, in this video we're going to look at the concepts of mass, weight, and force of gravity. In the diagram you will see that there is a picture of Mars, Mars and the moon, and there's a person standing on Earth, Mars, and the moon. Now this person on all three places is the same person, and you might notice when you look at the numbers given that the mass is 50 kilograms on Earth and on Mars and on the moon, that the mass is the same, but that the weight on Earth is 490, the weight of that person on Mars is 180, and the weight on the moon is 80. So you can see that the weight is changing and the mass is constant, stays the same. Now you could look at another version of weight, which is the weight in pounds. On Earth, 110, on Mars, 42, and on the moon, 18. And lastly, when you look at the bottom, you'll see that the gravitational field strength, or the acceleration caused by gravity on Earth, is 9.8, and on Mars is 3.7, and on the moon is 1.6. So when we have the strength of gravity decreasing from 9.8 to 3.7, we see the mass stays the same, but the weight in newtons decreases from 490 to 185. Similarly, the weight in pounds, 110 to 42, again, it decreases. And when we go from Mars to the moon, the gravitational field strength decreases from 3.7 to 1.6, and the weight decreases from 185 to 80, and from 42 to 18 pounds.